Hey guys, we are here with Ari, who is not feeling very good today. He's got a really wet cough, so we're oh, that sounds terrible. So we're gonna give him a little bit of cough medicine to help clean everything in his throat and down. Are you ready to have a little bit of this? Okay, you're gonna have to open your mouth, little boy.
I'm not opening your mouth.
All right, ready? Show everybody how it's done.
No.
Be a leader.
That's disgusting.
Swallow. And that's how it's done.